Hey guys, so these are the week 3 of Unit 8 spelling words, and these words all have a variant vowel ah. Like go to the doctor and say ah, that's the sound. And you can see it spelled 3 different ways with an AU, ah, AL, but the A is ah, and then AW. So the middle ones are your spelling words, and I'll have those in you won't get this sheet today, but so your spelling words are because. Now, we really need to say this word because the AU in this word should say ah. Faucet, paused, walked. There's that A-L, ah. Thawing, August. Now, August has to be capitalized in the spelling test because it's the name of a month. Dawn and salted. Okay. Now the other words here, I'll just go through those quickly and then go back to the schedule for your spelling assignment today. So small, gnaw, like you gnaw on, like a chipmunk gnaws on a piece of wood. Default, small, waterfalls, yawning, vault, withdrawn, haunt, straw, beanstalk, haunted, hot, stock, talks, somersault. So those are your words for this week.